Good morning, students. Till now, we see that development of resources, and in for the development of resources, we required sustainable development. Sustainable development means development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not compromise with the need of future generation. Now, the question is that have you done some important effort to gain the sustainable development, because it's a matter of the global. Each and every nation is concerned for the environmental problem, for the global peace, and for so many reasons, for the socio-economic culture. One important effort was done in 1992 in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit. It held in 1992 in Brazil. Let us see Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992. In June 1992, more than 100 heads of state meet in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for the first International Earth Summit. प्रथम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पृथ्वी समिति में 100 देशों के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष मिले और उन्होंने फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल अर्थ समिति में मिले और बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस किया. द समिति वॉज कन्विक्टेड फॉर एड्रेसिंग अर्जेंट प्रॉब्लम of environmental protection and socio-economic development at global level. So they meet in Rio de Janeiro and discuss the urgent problem of environmental protection, how environment will be protected from the different gases, from the different carbon components like that, and socio-economic development, how can we development our society, how can we develop them in economic sphere. The assembled leader signed the Declaration of Global Climate Change and बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी. उन्होंने क्या किया, एक डिक्लेरेशन पे, घोषणा पत्र पे सहमति की ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी पे. द रियो कन्वेंशन endorsed the global forest principle and adopted agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in 21st century. 21वीं सदी में सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए रियो डी जेनेरो में जो अर्थ समिति हुई थी उसने एक एजेंडा 21 की घोषणा की. द रियो कन्वेंशन endorsed the global forest principle and adopted agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in 21st century. Now the question is that what was the agenda 21? It is given in detail here. It is the declaration signed by world leader in 1992 at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, which took place at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It aims for achieving global sustainable development. It is an agenda to combat environmental damage, poverty, disease through global cooperation on common interest, mutual needs, and shared responsibility. तो एजेंडा 21 1992 में यूनाइटेड नेशन कॉन्फ्रेंस में लिया गया, जो इन्वायरमेंट और डेवलपमेंट के लिए किया गया था रियो डी जेनेरो ब्राज़ील में, और इसका एजेंडा था टू ओवरकम द इन्वायरमेंटल डैमेज को कम से कम करना, पॉवर्टी को रिमूव करना, डिजीज को रिमूव करना थ्रू ग्लोबल कोऑपरेशन, विश्व के लोग एक दूसरे का सहयोग करते हुए ऑन कॉमन इंटरेस्ट, mutual needs, and shared responsibility. One major objective of the Agenda 21 is that every local government should draw its own local Agenda 21. Means local government, every nation according to their resources and according to their situation. They can make agenda 21, they can make planning for the sustainable development. So this was held in Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit in Brazil. To achieve the sustainable development, they adopted agenda 21, and that agenda can be adopted by every nation according to their own needs and aspiration. That's all in this video.